always do that.
Do what?
Look at your first time when they snuck up on you.
Do what?
Scared the crap out of me.
Now from your wristwatch is our lead solo. Maintains the level flight with the slow roll.
Go.
See how it's rolling? Yeah, it's rolling.
Now, beachgoers look in front to your left as Thunderbirds 1 through 4 maintain precise formation position in the diamond roll.
Diamond roll.